Hello guys, good morning. I hope you guys can see me. I am so ugly without makeup, but good morning. I am about to make my coffee because I can't function without coffee, so you guys already know. I think you guys saw this in like the past clip that I tried that cinnamon dolce creamer from Starbucks, or did you guys not? Look at little baby Liam. Hello baby, good morning. Good morning, mi amor. Guys, he turns 3 months today. I cannot believe he's 3 months. He's so grown, my little man. Hi there, little baby. He's not having it. He is not having it. He is having a fit, guys. Let me change a little diaper, okay? Let me change a little diaper. Bye, guys. Get bodies up here.
Sostiénete, gordo. Venga con papi, venga con papi, venga con papi.
Let me give him his medicine.
Venga con papi. He loves his daddy. Yeah, papi, you love your daddy, papi. You love your daddy, puppy. You love your daddy, puppy.
So guys, I give him this. This is for his teeth. I got this off of Amazon. It's like natural, I guess. Here, medicine.
Papito. No, yo iba a quitar papi. Daddy's here, papi. Daddy's here, papi.
He looks. I think he's scared of the microphone.
Aquí estoy, papi.
Okay. I love you. He is not having it. This is what I'm giving him right now. I don't know if it works or not, but it says babies for 1 month and up, and he's about to be 3 tomorrow. So I'm gonna get to washing his BBs because they're hella dirty. Little baby, how are you? He is peed. Guys, say hi to my baby. He is about to be 3 months tomorrow, which I'm excited. I'm watching Leslie. You're such a cutie pie, little baby. Yeah, you're a big boy. Good morning, guys. So I wanted to film my morning routine, like my nighttime routine with him, as like a solo mom, because Jesus works all day, so he's not really part of our morning routine, and he's also not part of his nighttime routine. So I do like shower him at night by myself, and I do get him ready for the day by myself. I haven't filmed that. I do want to film that though, but I don't know. Oh my god, I need coffee, and I ran out of coffee creamer. Is it bad that I'm that obsessed with my kid, guys? Is it that bad? I was telling Jesus, I was telling Jesus, I was like, damn, you know, like first he used to be a little feito, you know, but now he's gotten like a little cute or whatever, and I'm literally obsessed with my kid, even though I know kids are ugly when they're little. Mine is the cutest little baby in the world. He always poops in the morning, but I think he hasn't yet, and I'm pretty sure he was about to, but I kind of scared it.
Yeah, you scared me, mommy. What is wrong with you? Me asustaste.
I'm gonna take 2 spoons of café bustelo. Let me know if you've tried it, because I'm excited to try this cinnamon dolce. Wow, this is a fancy ass creamer. I'm gonna put some of this cinnamon sugar powder. Just a little bit because I like it's like cinnamony. Just like. And this one, the Starbucks one, is pretty thick, so you just need a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Wait. I'm gonna go ahead and do it a little whisk.
What are you gonna make me?
We're gonna make salchicha with tortilla frita and huevos and ¿cómo se llama?
And what?
Oh, I need the tortillas. Can you get me the tortillas? By the way, if you guys want to see cooking videos, go follow me on Facebook. Facebook, because I'm gonna, the next recipe that I'm gonna do, I don't know if camarones a la diabla is winning or boiling crab. Which one would you like? I would like boiling crab.
I don't like any of them.
But then I'm scared que no me salgan. But I'm pretty sure que sí. I don't know if, I'm gonna check if one tortilla is fine. I roughly chop it like this for breakfast, you know, como los pollos. This is breakfast for winter. I'm gonna put this much sausage. And do you think that's enough or should I put more? 7, 8. I think 8 is enough for us.
Ready?
Oh my god, I want to try this. It's my first time trying cinnamon dolce. Are you guys ready? It even looks like frothier, huh?
Yeah.
Like the milk?
Really?
Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, this creamer is bomb, babe. I'm buying cinnamon dolce for the rest of my life.
Cinnamon dolce. How good?
It's like nutty, cinnamony, nutty, but it's not sweet. It's like literally not sweet. That's weird. It has 6 grams.
6 grams of what? Sugar?
But I only used hella little.
You use like what? 2 tablespoons? 3 tablespoons? Like 3 tablespoons?
Something like that. Because it's the thing with the Starbucks creamers is that the creamer is thick.
They're not
So
like
you don't
the
really
cheap ones that I buy.
Yeah, because the Crotchers brand, you know, they're like a bit runnier and they're hella sweet. I mean, if you like sweet, you know.
I like that milky goodness.
Yeah, I like them to be like frothy and creamy like that. And then I just sprinkle the cheese all over it so it can melt. I want to show you guys what I bought for Liam. I bought this baby Einstein off of Amazon. And it has a lot of like cute little cartitas so you can learn the colors. It has a mirror para que se vea. It has little books. And all these things go colgadas aquí arriba. And then it has a piano, which he's supposed to patearlo. And it makes noise. But that is the best thing we bought for him. That, I mean, but I think baby Einstein. Guys, so I bought these in a yard sale. I don't know what these are, but they kind of look like decorations to me. Y este como que está más mugroso, ¿verdad? Que este?
Kinda, it does look like it.
It looks hella mugroso, but I also bought these flowers at Goodwill. But let me see how they look. Would these fit on this one? Can somebody tell me if what goes inside of these? Do flowers go inside of these or? Let me see these. What if I put them all like this in here? Let me see. This tag, the Goodwill.
Oh, that one looks nice.
Well, yeah, that one doesn't look that bad, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I suck at decorating. I don't know how I feel about them. I also bought this one, guys. Let me show you guys. I bought this at Goodwill too. And this one was on sale for $3, but I don't know what are these called. I'm sure Cody knows because she decorated one. But I think this is
crown.
I don't think it's a crown, but look, the flowers are hella rustic.
Rosca crown.
No, creo que no se llama así. But isn't this so freaking cute? Like this at Home Goods is like $50, I think.
30. Let's put it 30.
No, I don't think it's 30. I think it's like 50.
I mean, still for $2.50. We got it for $2.50 or $3.
We got it for $3.
Damn, that's a legit deal. It's gonna be for
This is gonna be for fall, so
for fall. Oh, that's gonna be legit.
I'll probably decorate for fall this year. This year or this coming year.
This year, right?
When's fall?
It's a little bit.
Yeah, we decorate. Or I actually have the decorations in here. Watch. I don't know if you guys saw these, but I have like pumpkins that we bought from Goodwill. I have these that I also bought from Goodwill. They have a couple of things in there. But I thought this was so freaking pretty.
Yeah,
but let me know, what month did you start feeding your baby like, I don't know, like pureed food? Because I kind of want to start giving Liam. The doctor said until 6 months, but to be honest, I don't want to wait until 6 months. I think I'm going to start at 4 months. So he's actually 3 months right now. Well, tomorrow.
I love you guys.
Look, you guys, he is so chunky and his hair is so light.
Yes, my hair is so light.
And I actually want to grow his hair out. I'm not wearing my faja and I feel like I've lost a lot of the baby weight. I obviously still have the little bump here, but I'm obviously working on that still. I got caught. Hi, little princess. Okay, I got caught, but she loves being in the sun, guys. Hi. How are you, baby? How are you? Say hi. I'm ready to have some food. Oh, my princess. Hi there, little princess. I love you, Mama. Just a little baby? Yeah, you little baby from the house. Let me see your little teeth. You don't even have little teeth. I love your little paws. You're just a little baby. Ah! I caught you. And he's gonna run. Watch. I knew it. Because he loves Jesus. Jesus is daddy.
Madre. Ya atropellé.
He loves, she loves playing with him.
Goodbye. Are you trying to play with me too, Mama?
I love her. She's so cute.
Hi, little princess. Hi, you're such a cutie pie.
We need to cut her nose ASAP.
Cut her nose?
Nails.
Oh, her nails? Yeah.
ASAP. Acuérdate para allá, güey. Acaba comida ya, güey.
She's so cute, guys.